Hello, welcome to the StockSpy, your 5-minute daily mission to uncover market intelligence. Today's file, we are zeroing in on a company that is not just riding the AI wave, it's building the surfboards. While Nvidia get the headlines and Tesla get the tweets, there is another name that is quietly climbing the charts, delivering blowout earnings and flying under the radar. Stay with us as we decode one of the most explosive and overlooked opportunities in the AI revolution. AI is no longer the future, it's here. And the companies enabling it are seeing exponential demand. You've probably heard of household names like Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, but behind the scenes, there is a lesser known company supplying the very servers that powers ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and enterprise AI platforms. This company has one job: build ultra high performance, energy efficient computing infrastructure. It customizes data center solutions so AI firms can train models faster, cheaper, and at a massive scale. It's not yet in the spotlight. It doesn't sell to customers, but it's become essential to nearly every major AI rollout. Let's have a look at the financials. The numbers are jaw-dropping. In the latest quarter report, this company posted a revenue of $3.85 billion, which is up to a 200% year-over-year growth. It has an EPS of $6.65, beating the analyst expectations by nearly 20%. The gross margins expanded, operating income surged, and backlog orders hit a record high. And guidance, it was raised unanimously across the board. Wall Street analysts have scrambled to revise the price targets. Some now predicts easily a 30 to 40% upside within the next 12 months. Despite this, the stock still trades far lower multiples than it peers. Why? It's been overlooked, that's it. But not anymore. Here is what sets the company apart: customization. Unlike generic server providers, this firm closely works with clients like Nvidia and AMD to build AI-ready systems. Think of them as the tailors of an AI infrastructure, designing the exact solutions for hyperscalers, cloud providers, and even the US government. They were among the first to ship systems using Nvidia H100 GPUs. Now they are expanding globally to meet demand. While others are struggling with chip supplies, this company just-in-time manufacture and modular design give it speed and margin advantage. So now let's look at what the market isn't seeing. Despite its success, the stock isn't fully appreciated. Not yet. Why? A few reasons. It doesn't have a flashy consumer brand. It doesn't do massive marketing. It just now entered a large cap territory. But institutions are catching on. BlackRock, Vanguard, and other whales have increased their holdings. Insider ownership remains high. It's a good sign for a long-term conviction. And most important, demand for AI hardware is just getting started. The AI boom is still its first innings, and this company has front row seats in all the big plays. Now the risks. Of course, no stock is without its risks. Supply chain disruptions, if any in the future, especially from Asia, could impact the deliveries. And as a hardware provider, margins may be pressured if competition ramps up, which is not yet the case. It's heavily tied to the AI cycle. Any budget slows, growth problems could cool temporarily. That said, the leadership team has been extremely proactive in navigating market shifts, and analysts praise the CEO for his clear execution strategy. So what's our verdict? The StockSpy is issuing a buy on this company, and with a 12 months upside of potentially 38% based on forward earnings and sector demand. And our confidence is on the higher 90s with a moderate risk level. But long-term outlook is surely a buy. This is a stock you may not have heard about in the headlines, but you will definitely hear about in the earnings call. And now the name you have been waiting for, it's Super Microcomputers, ticker SMCI. If you have found value today's briefing, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. We have got spy files dropping this week, including a deep dive into Tesla's robotaxi and one stock Warren Buffett is quietly buying again. What's your top AI pick for 2025? And Just a reminder, this isn't a financial advice, this is just market intelligence from StockSpy.